Okay. Ah. 'Cause I don't want to fly when it's too dark. I'm not gonna do like normal. Be like a crazy person. Staying all late. We got a lot of flights in today.
Alright.
I'm already recording. I'm ready to go.
Landing.
Alright.
Hold on, let me get up there and line up.
F-14. Mig-21.
Timer cleared.
Good to go.
Taking off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Love that Madman takeoff. You got the 6500s in yours?
Look at that afterburners. They look good. Alright.
Guess I didn't really need my glasses on this flight. Uh-oh, there's the speed. See if I can keep up. Of course not.
Of course not.
I can't keep up.
No way.
No, I can't. I caught you.
I slowed down a little bit.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Speed mode. This plane flying off. Really low power.
Together? Alright.
Nice!
Burner's glowing.
The burners are glowing real nice. Oh yeah, baby, going up. And flipping it back
Coming back down. I'll be closest to us still.
Oh, swept wing, baby.
Woo! Burner's glowing.
Burners look good. Wings out.
It looks so cool with the wings out. I mean, it looks good with them in, but then it really looks good with them out.
Nice.
Damn it, it looked right at the sun.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Now see, now I gotta come down. You're fine.
Yeah.
Because you got double capacity.
1. Time
Even with using double fans, you're still better.
When are you coming?
I'm gonna do one more pass and coming in. Yeah.
Gear down.
Oh, that's a sweet shot right there.
Landing flaps.
You dive into the runway. You're a good distance away, so you'll probably be right over me just as I get here.
Flaps up.
Woohoo! Nice! Dude, that thing looks good. Ooh, yeah. Oh, my plane was still rolling. I guess I should have looked. I gotta get a picture of that sunset. That would be my closing.